Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a security camera that is perfect for outdoors, and it is by a company called Eufy Security, and the model is the S220 SoloCam. So it's going to come with its little instructions, pretty self-explanatory. We're going to go over all the features right here in the video. You're also going to get a little template that makes it super easy to mount. Simply just put this on and it'll tell you exactly where to put the screws, which are included. They also include a spare set for you. And then you're going to have basically the little mounting bracket piece here, nice and compact. It does have a little movable section, so you can easily get it to the position you want. And then the camera is just going to screw onto this right there on the back. And so you can simply adjust it as need be, so that way you capture the perfect angle. Now they are also going to include a USB to USB Type-C charging cable. This is how you can power it up if you wish. However, you'll notice it has a nice large solar panel right here on the top. So one of the nice things about this is you don't have to put this by an outlet. You can put this on the side of your house. As long as it's getting sunshine, it's going to basically 3 hours of full sun will give you a full day's of charge out of normal use out of this. So it has a nice size battery. The battery is a 6,500 mAh battery. So like even if you have a couple cloudy days and it's fully charged, it's going to get you through those cloudy days, which is a nice little feature of it. But yeah, so full sunshine, you don't need to be tethered to an outlet. There's no wires, there's nothing. You just simply mount it and then turn it on and you're good to go. So now let's cover the little features here. So as you can see, nice size camera. It's nice and compact. Give you an idea of the size. It's about, say 4 inches in depth. It's about 3 inches wide, and it's a little bit tapered. So the top part is about 2¼ inches in depth. On the front side, you're gonna have the camera itself, which is a 2K camera. So it's going to capture those nice, clear details. It also has built in there the AI ability to go ahead and detect humans if you set that up via the app, so you can see if it's just kind of like a false alarm, a pet, or something like that. And it does have an f1.6 aperture camera lens, which is gonna help you with that night vision mode. So it does have a night vision mode. It has that, which is what you kind of see in the bottom, which uses that red light. And because of that, it works really, really well in nighttime and gives you some details when somebody is approaching, which is another nice aspect of it itself. Now, obviously, this is meant to go outside. So it's built to handle all the elements. It does have that IP67 weather rating. That means it can get rained on, it can get snowed on, it can handle dust, it can handle the elements. And so it works very, very well with that. As far as the camera itself, it also does have a field of view of 135 degrees. So if you have this mounted kind of in your area, you're gonna easily see your front of your yard. And because of the way the bracket's kind of designed here, you can tweak it to where it's just perfect. And then you can sign up for all those various AI filters, so that way you get less false alarms and you really see the action that you want. And all this is stored on a 8 gigabit hard drive right in the camera. So it's storing the information right here. You're not having to worry about storing it in the cloud or anything like that. It's stored on the device. Now, this is meant for like monitoring, like when you get from a motion, it gets those kind of detections. It's not meant to record 24/7, 7 days a week. Partially that's the solar panel, but it's and the memory would fill up. So it's meant for you detect when you set motion or something's going on, then you can see those footage and you can save that. And then otherwise, it's just going to continue to kind of do a loop recording and record over the oldest footage aspects. But overall, it works very, very well. It's a great little camera, compact. You can put it up pretty much anywhere, since it doesn't need a plug or anything like that. Just make sure it's a nice sunny spot. And for all those reasons, I do totally recommend checking out this 2K security camera by Eufy. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.